Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about order of operations. So that will be the title of our paper is order of operations. And operations are actually addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Those are just the things that we can do with numbers. So let's write that as our title, order of operations. Okay, and as I said, operations are just addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Operations are the things that we can do with numbers. So when we have a problem such as 25 minus 4 times 10 divided by 2. Okay, so I'll give you just a second to write that problem down. You can see that we've got multiple operations. We have subtraction, multiplication, we have division, we have parentheses. Well, you can't start just working and doing 25 minus 4. There's an order that math says that we have to do problems in. So the first place that we go is the parentheses penthouse. So draw you an arrow all the way up. And we talked about it. It's like an elevator. Okay? And we're bellboys at a hotel. Bellboys, what they do is they drop off bags for people. Okay, so we ride the elevator up all the way to the parentheses penthouse. So P stands for parentheses. Okay, it's kind of a long word, parentheses. And parentheses just look like these little half circles there, or the brackets that we use to bracket our problems with. And there's even fancier ones that I have a hard time drawing. But these are the main ones that you're going to see right here, either the rounded ones or the bracketed ones. These are parentheses. And this is where we always go first. So put a big first on it. We always do parentheses first. So what I'm going to do is come over here to our problem, and I'm going to underline the parentheses. 10 divided by 2. And this is the step that I want to do first. So I'm going to go ahead and answer this. What is 10 divided by 2? Right, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I'm going to write 5 right underneath it. And then what I have to do is rewrite my problem. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite everything that I didn't underline. I rewrote the 25. I rewrote the minus 4 and the time sign. Okay, so what I just did is I dropped off the bag, 10 divided by 2, at the parentheses penthouse. Okay, so now I'm going to ride the elevator down. Now I'm going to skip over the E floor. For now, it's under construction, so I'm going to draw an X through it. Okay, I'm going to skip that floor, and I'm going to come down to the multiply and divide floor. So this is second, and I'm going to put a big second right in the middle of it. Okay, because we work in the order that we come to in the problem. We work left to right, just like you read. Okay, we work from the left side to the right side. So M stands for multiply, and D, of course, stands for divide. So we multiply and divide. Okay, so I'm going to underline the step 4 times 5. Okay, we're on this floor, so we're going to drop off the bag 4 times 5. And what is 4 times 5? Right, it's 20. So I'm going to write 20 right underneath, and then I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem. Okay, so we've done all of the multiplication and the division. All that's left is a subtraction. So the final last floor that we ever come to, and this is third, so I'm going to write third floor, is add, A for add, and S for subtract. Add and subtract floor. So I'm going to underline this final step here, and 25 minus 20 is 5. And finally, that's what this equals. So this is what your problem should look like. It should start out bigger, and it's going to get smaller and smaller and smaller as we drop those bags off at the different floors, as we do the different steps of the problem. And what you'll see this called in word problems is it will say simplify. Okay, simplify. And simplify just means to make something get simpler or shorter. And you see how it started out longer and it got smaller and smaller and smaller? We simplified it. Okay. So there's the order that we do these is parentheses. So we're going to write some notes. And P stands for parentheses. This is where we start. This is first. And there's actually a rhyme that goes please, excuse, okay, my dear. And my dear stands for multiply and divide. Aunt. And some people like to say Aunt Shanae, but I'll just call her Aunt Sally. I don't think I can spell Shanae. So my dear Aunt Sally. So add and subtract. So please or parentheses are first. We skip over this floor. We go to multiply, divide, add, subtract are last. Okay, so those are our notes for order of operations. You can take your little hotel here, hotel math, and glue that into your notes. Remember, a little dot will do. Bye for now.